Ever wonder what is really protecting your home from rain, wind, and heat? It is not just shingles or tiles. What is underneath them makes all the difference. That is why today, we are talking about roof underlayment and why it is essential for a strong, long-lasting roof. Before we dive into why underlayment matters, let's start with the basics. What is roof underlayment? Roof underlayment is a protective layer installed between the roof deck and your shingles or tiles. The roof deck serves as the base layer that supports both the underlayment and the shingles or tiles, keeping everything secure. Underlayment adds an extra line of defense. It acts as a hidden shield, preventing moisture from seeping in, reinforcing the roof structure, and improving insulation. Why is underlayment important? Now, imagine a roof without underlayment. Without this crucial layer, rain can seep through cracks, shingles or tiles may blow off in strong winds, and over time, water damage can weaken the entire roof structure. That is why underlayment is a must-have for any durable roof. Think of it like wearing a raincoat on a stormy day. Your shingles or tiles are the outer layer, but without a protective barrier underneath, water will eventually seep through. Just like a raincoat keeps you dry, underlayment protects your home from leaks, wind, and heat. So what exactly does underlayment do for your roof? Here are 3 major benefits. Prevents leaks. If rain or moisture sneaks past your shingles or tiles, underlayment acts as a barrier, keeping it from reaching your home. Provides wind resistance. Even if shingles or tiles get lifted in a storm, underlayment helps prevent major damage. Helps regulate temperature. Certain types of underlayment reflect heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer. Despite its importance, many homeowners assume shingles or tiles alone are enough to protect their roof. But is that true? Let's clear up this common misconception. Myth: shingles or tiles alone are enough to protect your roof. Reality: while shingles and tiles provide a layer of defense, without underlayment, water will eventually find its way in. This is why underlayment is a critical part of any roofing system, giving your home an added layer of protection against the elements. Now that we know why underlayment is essential, how does the installation process work? It all starts with rolling out the underlayment, securing it with cap nails, and sealing the edges. This creates a tight, waterproof barrier before the shingles or tiles are installed on top. When installed correctly, this step strengthens your roof's resistance to leaks, wind, and extreme temperatures. But this is not a DIY project. Proper installation requires expert knowledge and experience to ensure maximum protection. A precise installation is crucial to prevent leaks, wind damage, and premature roof failure. That is why hiring a professional roofer is the best choice. They have the skills and tools to get the job done right. Not all underlayment is the same, so selecting the right one for your roof is key. There are 2 main types of underlayment to consider. Felt underlayment has been a trusted choice for decades. It is durable, helps protect against moisture, and even improves insulation for long-term performance. But synthetic underlayment takes it a step further. It is stronger, highly resistant to moisture, and offers more flexibility for better long-term protection. A durable roof starts from the inside out. The next time you think about a roofing project, do not just focus on shingles or tiles. Make sure your underlayment is doing its job too. At Innovative Roofing, we know that a strong roof starts with the right foundation. Whether you are replacing your roof or planning ahead, quality underlayment makes all the difference. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on how to protect your roof.